In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blank page in Word. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by unwanted blank pages popping up in your Microsoft Word document, you're not alone. This is a common issue, but fortunately, it's pretty easy to fix once you know how. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have your document looking the way you want in no time. First, let's open up your document in Word. This could be any version of Microsoft Word, as these instructions are universally applicable. Click on the file you want to edit, and let Word do its magic as it opens up for you. It's always a good idea to have your document ready and accessible while you watch this tutorial. So, if you haven't already, make sure to open your document now. Now that your document is open, our next task is to locate the blank pages you'd like to remove. You might have these pages scattered throughout your document, or perhaps they're just lingering at the end. A quick scroll through will help you spot them. These blank pages often occur due to extra paragraph marks or page breaks, which you might not notice on a first glance. To help you identify them, you can show hidden formatting marks by pressing the Control key and the asterisk key together if you're using a PC, or by going to the Home tab and selecting the paragraph icon. This will reveal all the unseen formatting marks. Once you have identified those pesky blank pages, place your cursor at the very end of your document. We're about to outsmart those blank spaces. If the blank page is at the end of the document, you'll simply want to place the cursor right after the last word on the last page. This helps in ensuring that the deletion process captures any hidden marks or unwanted breaks that are causing the blank page. If you find the blank pages in the middle of your document, navigate until your cursor is placed just before or after the unwanted page. With your cursor set, press and hold the Delete key on your keyboard. You'll notice that holding the Delete key will gradually remove everything after your cursor's position, including those extra blank pages. It may take a few moments if there are a number of hidden characters. Keep holding the Delete key until all the blank pages disappear. And just like that, those blank pages are gone. Your document should now be free of unwanted blank spaces, leaving you with a clean and professional presentation. Remember, unwanted blank pages often sneak in to disrupt your work, but with these easy steps, you can handle them with ease. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on Microsoft Word and other software. Happy editing!